Hi guys, back again with me, Cyberdude. So, thank you so much for watching my video again, and thank you so much for subscribe my channel, and who new sa channel ko po na sana mag-subscribe kayo. Don't forget to click ring button to update you if I have a new video. So guys, today, I will give you a tutorial for actually this my problem too, so let us fix together. So uh, sa Visual Studio kasi ito po yung na-encounter ko. Given K was not present in the dictionary Visual Studio. So before, ako kasi gumagamit ng MySQL administrator before. So, always, lahat ng mga system ko, lahat ng mga website na ginawa ko, yung database ko, ang gamit ko is MySQL administrator. So, ngayon, nagtry ako ng SAMP, and then, i-connect ko sa Visual Studio. So, yung problem ko dito is I don't know if other computer or other uh, um, Visual Studio is same problem, but I'm using Visual Studio 2019, and then kasi akala ko yung problem kasi sa Visual Studio. So kasi 2019 eh. And then, nag-download ako ng 2012 na Visual Studio, and then, in-install ko, yung problem, the same lang. So, guys, let's us try to fix this one. So, first of all, you must download your, MySQL connector, of course. MySQL connector. Ito, yung pangalawa, sa baba. And then, ito, edu.net driver for MySQL connector. Ito, download nyo lang. Tapos na ako, download ito. So, ayun na. And then, so, after ninyo i-install yan, and then, SAM, tapos nyo i-install, and then, let's run it. Ano ba yun? Okay. Ito. So, SAM is already running. So, let's go to admin. So, by the way, guys, if you interested on my project dito sa channel ko, meron naman dito yung mga ito po yung tutorial rin, how to connect printer and smartphone. So, and then tutorial sa servo motor and Arduino. So, Arduino, marami akong project ng Arduino dito. So, just explore muna. So, let's move this one. So, ngayon, gagawa tayo ng new database here. So, ito. Database. So, let's give a name here. Database. Oh, wait. Test SAMP. Test SAMP. Wait. test some. Okay, test some. Great. Okay, so as you can see here sa left side, dito na yung database natin. So, gawa tayo ng table here. TBL data. Just for, ano lang. Okay, great. So, put in name. Oh, ID muna. ID. Name. Name. Address. Okay, so here primary key, go save. Okay, so we're done for our database here. So let's move to our Visual Studio. So the Visual Studio I'm using right now is Visual Studio 2012. So you can try another um, other Visual Studio also. So just for in case you don't have higher Visual Studio, so this is the reference. So guys, first you must go here to our reference first. You must add your reference for add reference. Okay guys, so um if you don't see here, or just go here. Go here, okay, assemblies, and then extension. Go to extension, and then you find here. You just search here. Search here. SQL data. So recent mine kasi meron na sa akin yung na-resend ko. So ito click na lang. Okay, and then add your ano dito, using MySQL data that MySQL client. Okay, so let's try our connection here. Hindi lang tayo gumawa ng general here. Gawa kang general dito. Pero ito para sa testing lang naman. So dito lang sa baba. Gumawa tayo dito. So first we going to create a private void here. Private void connector. Yeah. Connector here, and then okay, so string connector connections okay, connection string here equals okay. So so basically we just use here is data source, or maybe server. You can use server also. So equals localhost, or you can also use the IP of your localhost. Just type on 172.0.0.1. That is your localhost. But right now we use localhost, and you can also uh, put I'm sorry, port here. Port, also use port 3306, and then after that 3306, and then username here, root, and then password here is none. If you give password of your SAMP or your database, so you can put here password. And then what next? Password. Okay, database. Here. Database is what? Our database. Oh, I'm sorry. Our database is test sum, and then here MySQL connection, con equals new MySQL connection. Inside there you put here this one. You must put this one inside there. So connection string. Okay, so we good here. And then let's us try. So we put here oh wait, okay, try con that open. Okay, message box that show connected, and then here catch, oh I'm sorry, catch x e exception e. Okay, here we just get a message here, message box that show e that message. Okay, so we done here. So let's go to our, so this is a button, and then this is label. So actually we also can use the label, but right now we just try use our message box. So let's copy this one, put here. Okay. Okay, so let's click the button here. Okay, so here another problem is keyword not supported. So so let's try to get this one. Oh, here username. Okay. Okay, data search localhost word root password. Okay, so okay again, keyword not supported. So what's the problem here? So we just uh, try to fix this one. Okay. So guys, I create a new one. I mean this connection I create new. So server here, server before we use data source. So we use server here. So uh, this is IP of your local host, and then user ID, root, and then password none. Then database test sum. So let's try this one. So here the problem, guys. So this problem is what we fix right now. So the given key was not present in the dictionary. So what we gonna do here is we just fix this one. So here in the last statement of this connection, you just add this code. Okay, car set here is one. You just add this one, and then this. Okay, so car set and then pooling. So actually, you can just use this code also, but let's try if just car set. Okay, so it's okay although you not use the pooling. So but right now we only can use the one pooling. So okay, pooling. So okay, so it's good. So guys, our problem is fixed right now. So um if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like this video also. If you have question, just comment below in this section. So thank you so much for watching this video, and goodbye.